This is how you use Google Explore on Google Docs. So you click the plus sign, you wait for it to load. So you go to Tools and then you click Explore. And you can search your Google Docs and you can also search on the web. So if you click, like let's say you want to do Edgar Allan Poe, you would click here. The first thing that comes up is, just some quick facts and Wikipedia. So if you're researching, you don't want to use this. But if you're like, what was that fact again? You can go in and search it that way. So this doesn't replace research. But you can also search images. So let's say you just want an image of Edgar Allan Poe. You can click here. You can decide that's the image you want and then click the plus sign. And then you can add it to your document. Like so. Pretty simple.